Is Google opinion reward worth to try, or is there a waste of time? Hi guys, welcome to my channel called Random Reward. Today we will review Google opinion rewards. Now, what is Google opinion rewards? As the name suggests, this is created by Google itself, and this is a survey app that give you location-based survey at their app based on what I find out so far. Now, I'm not a fan of this app, and I don't suggest anybody to use this app either. And I'm going to mention in the video why. But let's look at what they have. At Play Store, they has more than 100 million downloads, 4.63 million review rating, and pretty much everybody has positive review. And they also has app on the App Store as well. It is available both in Android and iPhone. If you have email, you don't need to sign up. Just sync in. You just download it and open it. It will be pop up just like this. So this is their main page. As you can see, I don't have any survey at the moment. They asking me to give them location history access and share their app to people. And this is my current balance, and being expired September 1st next year. And my video will be very short. I will finish it very shortly, and I'm gonna mention why I'm saying this. If you remember correctly, I made the video Ipsos I say. Both Google opinion and Ipsos I say is very minimalistic and easy to understand, easy to navigate. Tapping in the top hamburger. Yeah, so this is my task that I showed you earlier. Tapping in the viewer history. This section shows how many surveys did I take so far and my lifetime earning. It's true showing me that I take 3 surveys, but I actually take 2 surveys only. And the survey is very easy, can be finished in a couple minutes. Tapping in the survey eligible. This is all of the access they want and they expect me to give them. Tapping in the settings. This is the location history that I showed you earlier, and of course you can delete the opinion account that associated with your Gmail. Yeah, and of course you can send them feedback as well. And that's pretty much it. There is nothing else they has to offer. Now, the big issue, and I don't know why so many people are very happy with the Google opinion reward, but my main complaint is they don't have any payout section. So if you earn it, you hard income money that you earn doing survey here, you can you can get out with that. You can pay out. There is no payout method or payout option. So how come you can use your balance? Is to purchase on the Play Store. They have great option for iOS user. I believe the threshold was $2. As soon as you hit the threshold, your amount will be sent to PayPal. But that's only for iOS user. For Android user, I just don't know why they made these worse option. Purchase something on Play Store using your balance. That can be frustrating, and it's just not my option. I will say IC is far better than Google opinion itself, even though both of them are minimalistic. So yeah, what's my final conclusion? Well, as a this is Google opinion reward can be great if you have it on a site, but I just don't recommend to use this if you're expecting to get out, if you like to cash out your money by PayPal or bank transfer or gift card, whatever it is. This can be a great option for iOS user if they can cash out by PayPal. That can be convenient to them. I just don't know why Google made these options. Supposed to be Apple is their enemy, but Google is not focusing. Looks like Google have no attention to develop Google opinion reward to make it better. Yes, survey can be location based, but as you can see, I don't have a lot of opportunity based on my locations. So can be great if you are living at a great place, and yeah, you can make money, but otherwise can be garbage, can be useless. So comment down below, what's your opinion? What do you think? Is Google opinion is actually useless app? Subscribe my channel. Be sure to use my link down in the description. Thanks for watching. Peace out for now.